Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this turmeric oil at home. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products, and the oils I use in making this turmeric oil have been carefully selected to make sure it doesn't clog pores. They are all lightweight oils. To make this turmeric oil, I have my turmeric powder measured out. In my beaker, I have 15 grams of turmeric oil, and I have a glass jar. And at this point, I'm using cheesecloth, placing it. I'm doubling the cheesecloth in order to pour in the turmeric powder in the glass jar. Now I'm transferring the turmeric powder into the cheesecloth that is placed over the jar, and I'm doing this to be able to trap the powders, to see if I can avoid the particles that comes out from the turmeric itself. So after adding my turmeric powder, at this point I'm adding the oils. I am using 5 different oils for this turmeric oil, and with these oils I want to use it to extract the nutrient from the turmeric. And remember, turmeric can help fade spots, eliminate scars, and also tone the skin as well. So I use 5 different oils. I use argan oil, I use sunflower oil, carrot seed oil, rose hip oil, and aloe vera oil. Those oils I mentioned are all lightweight oil. They don't clog pores, and that's why I chose those oil. So at this point, after adding it, I'm going to cover it. And also, there are 2 ways you can make turmeric oil. Either place as it is at this point, placing it over a low heat on a double boiling boiler, and allow it to heat up for 2 to 3 hours. Then you strain the oil. But rather, I chose to keep this for 2 weeks. Like I said earlier, you can place it on a double boiler to extract the nutrient from the turmeric, or you cover and keep for 2 weeks like I did in this case. So here are the oils I use. I got this from Temu, and it was delivered to me within 5 days. So here what I did, I noticed that the cheesecloth I used with the turmeric, the cheesecloth was rather extracting the oils. Then what I did after the second day, I had to take off the cheesecloth and allow the oils and the powder to sit on its own. And after 2 weeks, this is the oil, and you notice that the turmeric settled below the jar. Then I got this tea bag to help me strain it, because I noticed that the cheesecloth was unable to strain the powders, and at the point it didn't work. Then I had to go back to the cheesecloth at this point, trying to double it maybe 4 times. Right at the end, I still noticed that it didn't work, and look at what happened here. You see that everything passed through the cheesecloth. So I noticed that the cheesecloth didn't work for this. So what I decided to do, I had to allow the turmeric to settle back at the bottom of the jar. And this is what I did. And at this point, I was able to strain the turmeric oil, to strain the oil from the turmeric itself. The powder settled at the bottom. So guys, at this point my turmeric oil is ready, and the next thing I did was to transfer it into a sterilized bottle. And at this point you can also add vitamin E, or if you're using it arthritically, or you just take a little of it and put it in a different bottle, add your vitamin E and start using it. You can use it directly on your skin. And to make it last longer, I will advise you transfer it into a dark bottle, and that will help it last longer. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.